Hi there, students. In this video I want to look at Destinesia or Destinesia and Nonversation. Okay, both of these words are neologisms. These are new words that are coming into the language or are trying to get into the language. Let's see. Nonversation, a countable noun. Destinesia, probably an uncountable noun. I think nonversation could also be uncountable. Okay, let's see. A nonversation's a meaningless conversation. It's something that, a conversation that, well, it's just pure small talk and doesn't have any real content to it. So I watched the two neighbours chatting for hours, and I listened in a bit to their nonversation, but they didn't really say anything at all. Okay, nonversations drive me crazy. Yeah, I think this nonversational small talk can drive a person crazy. Okay, so nonversation. This one you'll find in most of the dictionaries. Yeah, so I think this one has finally made it as a neologism in the dictionary. The next one, Destinesia or Destinesia, is probably trying to get in. Let's see. This is when you go into a room or you go somewhere and then you say, why did I come here? Yeah, you forget the reason why you went. Yeah, so you go into the kitchen and then you have a case of Destinesia. Why did I come here? And then you stand there trying to remember. Yeah, why did I come out into the garden? Oh no, another case of Destinesia. Yeah, so have you ever suffered from Destinesia? I'm sure you have. I think we all suffer from Destinesia from time to time. Okay, so this is when you go somewhere and you say, why did I come here? Why did I do this? Destinesia. Okay, this is a portmanteau word again, two words joined together, destination and amnesia. Destinesia. Oh, with the nonversation, again another portmanteau, a non-conversation. I think both of these words are quite informal. I think Destinesia I'd probably give a 4 informality and maybe nonversation as well. Use them in in an informal conversation. I think you could use them in a semi-formal conversation, but I'm not sure I would use them in anything more formal than that. Okay, so a nonversation, talking about rubbish. Yeah, a conversation that just has no point. It just doesn't say anything. It doesn't go anywhere. And Destinesia, this is where you go somewhere. What am I doing here? Why did I come here? I must have had a reason. What was it? So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A nonversation and Destinesia.